after I had sprayed the wheel down with power washer, I took the Meguiar's D108, which is a super degreaser. I diluted it 4:1 and I applied it to the inside of the Jeep tire. This degreaser will cut through the grime and the dirt on the wheel and on the tire. And then once I have it soaked in the degreaser, I would take a stiff brush and brush the tire to remove the dirt. As this is functioning and working, the foam will turn brown. I'm not sure if you can see the photo or the video, but it will turn brown. And then once I get all the way around the tire, I will spray it again with the degreaser and then scrub it back down. And if the foam stays white, you know that you've removed all the dirt from the tire. After I got the tire clean, I took out the Meguiar's non-acid wheel cleaner, product number D143, and sprayed down the inside of the wheel barrel, and then took a wheel brush and just cleaned it. I gave the tire and the wheel a final rinse down with the power washer to ensure that all the product